Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am loving the setup behind me. It's definitely reminding me of my old videos, which I loved, and I know you guys do too. For those of you who don't know, I moved in a house with my boyfriend in the beginning of this year, and we have just been working on making the house our home these last couple months. I uploaded an empty house tour a couple months ago, and I've really been trying to find time to make the fully furnished house tour. I feel like it was just never the right time. Either we were in the middle of a project or the house didn't look the way I wanted it to. This house is 3 bedrooms and 1.5 bathrooms. It's also a split level house, so we have like 4 floors. We have the basement, the lounge room with the foyer where you walk in. You have the upstairs living room and then the upstairs with the bedrooms. So there's definitely a lot of square footage to cover and furnish. Even though this house was a move-in ready home, it had everything completely done, all new appliances. Everything was completely renovated top to bottom and modernized. I feel like it was just a house. It didn't feel like a home. It didn't feel us. We haven't even been in the house a year, so obviously there's still gonna be a couple little things going on, but I would say for the most part, it is ready to show you guys. I actually just took down all of my fall decor. It is that time of year. This weekend I'm gonna be decorating for Christmas, so I thought this little in-between where all of my normal decor is up is the perfect time to film my fully furnished house tour. I didn't want to film this video with all of my like seasonal decor up. So when you first walk into the house, the first thing you notice is it is a very open layout house, which I love. It's one of my favorite things about the house. So you step into this foyer. We just have a coat closet to the right. One thing we went around the house and did was change all the light fixtures to match the individual space and room. Through this door is our garage. I really love how no matter how you come in the house, you are greeted with the foyer. I feel like it really keeps the mess of the outdoors in this one space. You can put away your coats and boots and everything before you come into the house. Walking straight through is the lounge room. This was actually 2 individual doors at one point, and I ended up cutting it down the middle, screwing it together, anchoring it at the top, and it kind of adds a little bit of privacy that this room is lacking, being so open concept. When we first moved in, this wall was all black. It actually wasn't my first intention to paint it, but we actually ran into a piping issue behind this, so we had to smash it all out and redo the wall. You'll notice this whole house once we get upstairs is all gray, white, modern, marble, and down here was just like kind of black, brown, and farmhouse style. It kind of clashed with the upstairs. And then in this door back here is a guest bathroom. This bathroom I feel like had the biggest change from the empty house tour. Everything down here had black accents. It had a brown vanity. Very, very farmhouse. I know it's not everyone's style to have like gray, white, everything. I know lots and lots of people would love the black and brown, but it just wasn't us. This is the same brown vanity. I took all this hardware off and sprayed it all silver and then painted the vanity this really pretty gray. This does look like a shower. That was kind of the goal, to make it look like a full bath, but it is only a half bath. And this has all of my cleaning supplies in it. This is just a very neutral in the middle of the house spot to put all of my cleaning products, to have them easily available. Going back into the foyer, we got a whole new front door, and also we painted the black panels on the side, inside, and outside. Okay, so I would say there's still a lot that needs to be done in this room. Obviously, we are planning to make this like a gym and workout room. It's kind of there, but it's just not finished. We are actually planning on building this wall right here all the way up to kind of give this room a little bit of privacy. The only downside with a split level house is we really don't have a basement. This is our basement, and it's totally visible when you walk right in, and it's one of the first things you notice. And once this wall is built up, I'm gonna put a TV here. But yeah, I mean, this room is really nice. Me and Darian both get a lot of use out of it. We have a full weight rack, we have a lat pull down machine, as well as a treadmill. In here is just our washer and dryer room, really nothing special. This is one of the biggest projects we have yet to do to the house. I really want to make it nice in there. Also, if you guys remember, this wall was never ever here. Right when you walk down, this used to be all one basement, and I'm so happy that we put a wall up here, because I just feel like this corner used to be such dead space because of this slant here for the stairs going upstairs, and also this door I wanted to be hidden. So this is actually a cute little cat room now. So this is like where the wall is going to go to like block up the main part of it. So even though you'll still be able to see down, you won't be seeing like everything. That is it for the downstairs, and then going up into the living area. Something little that we did that really made a big difference from when we moved in was painting this whole back wall a dark gray. And I personally love white. When I first moved in with all white walls, I was obsessed, and living with all white kind of doesn't make it feel like a home. Adding the color really just brings life, and I feel like with the white walls you couldn't really add decor in it because it wouldn't pop, so it really makes all of our pictures and everything really feel like a home. And then here is the kitchen. It's a really wide, like galley style kitchen. I really love the double doors. We have a cute little deck out there that we have like a patio set on. We really haven't done much to this kitchen. I mean, nothing really needed to be done. It's beautiful. When we were showing this house, the kitchen was definitely one of my favorite parts. Also, something that I really love is these flush lights. I feel like it just does so much for the space. Or you can have like a really nice subtle lighting like this. So the first door to the left is the main bathroom. This is also connected to our bedroom through this door. I really love the double vanity with the marble countertops. And then the next room over is our bedroom. I feel like adding this dark gray accent wall in this room really ties everything together. These white closet doors with white walls really got lost, but I feel like they pop now. And then the room right at the top of the steps, which is the second biggest bedroom of the house, is the glam room. And then in this closet is just all of my coats, and then I have my shoes down below. And then the last bedroom, but definitely not least, probably my favorite. This room was the most recently done. I actually just finished it like a week ago. Just yesterday when Darian was away, I actually did this whole wall, and I think it just fits the game room perfectly. If you can't tell, I'm a really big fan of accent walls. I feel like this is the smallest wall in the room. Obviously it has the closet door on it, the main door, and I just feel like it's such a small wall and it adds so much to the room. So yeah, this is both of our gaming areas. And then we have a cute little cozy corner. The cats love sitting in this big Joe, so they all are in here usually when we game. And this double closet in here just has like all of my extra pillows, comforters, blankets, stuff like that. Also, the light fixture in this room is really cool. I feel like it definitely matches the vibe of the room, and it just adds a lot of character. So that was it for our fully furnished house tour. If you guys liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and also comment down below your favorite room of the house. I'm really curious. I honestly don't know what mine would be. It's really hard to pick. I really love every single room in this house, but if I had to pick, I feel like it would be the kitchen. It honestly motivates me to cook because of how beautiful it is in there. I just love spending time baking, cooking. I really hope to start posting more on YouTube, even if it's just shorts on YouTube. I really have been trying to get into that. I'm probably going to turn this video into a short with like cinematic instead of like a full-on in-depth vlog, but I'm just used to YouTube because I've been doing it for so long. But I really am trying to be more active on all of my socials, like TikTok, Instagram, everything. So definitely go follow me on there. And like I said, I'm going to be decorating for Christmas this weekend, so I'm so excited to show you guys that. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much, and bye guys.